How to install Unity on your PC. In this quick tutorial, I'm going to show you guys how you can set it up and easily install it on your PC. So let's begin. First thing you do is simply open up your web browser and then search for Unity. Click on the first link that you see here, or you could just head over to this download option right here. Once you land on their page, you have an option to download. And if you want to see their price and plans, you can just click on plans and pricing. So this is the student version that is free. The personal version is also free, but the pro version is $200. So what I'm going to do is simply download the Unity Personal and click on download for Windows, or if you have Mac OS or Linux, you could download it from these links. I'm going to download it for Windows, and once you click on it, the download will start. So go ahead and wait for the download to be complete up here. Now the Unity Hub setup, this installation file will be downloaded. And once it is, just go ahead and open it up. Once you open up this, it will ask you for certain permissions on your device and you're going to have to allow it. Click on yes, and then now it will start the setup. Here, you're going to have to agree to their license agreement and terms and conditions. And if you want to choose the install location, you can browse through your PC and you can do that here. What I'm going to do here is simply go ahead and choose my program files as default and then click on install. The space required for this is 400 megabytes, but the available space is here. So this is something that you have to keep in mind. If you don't have enough space, you will not be able to install this. Now simply click on install, and the Unity Hub is now being installed. So just wait for it to be complete, and now your Unity will be downloaded on your PC. It's as easy as that. And there you go. I hope this tutorial was helpful to you guys, and I'll see you on the next one. Thanks for watching.